Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for recipe tutorial videos. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the Jamaican ginger cake. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Glacé Cherry Muffins. First of all, I'm going to put the 200 grams of cashew sugar, and 200 grams of softened butter, using this whisk. Mix until it's pale and fluffy. Now, after whisking it, making it pale and fluffy, then add the eggs in the batter to the bowl one at a time. Once you've added in all the eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then whisk that again. Next on the recipe is the Sift, a teaspoon of baking powder and 200 grams of self-raising flour. Then, once you've sifted it, fold it in using a spoon. Then, once the mixture is loosened, add 2 tablespoons of milk, this will loosen the mixture up for the muffins. Mix the mixture that was added with the milk, then it will loosen the muffin mixture. The last thing is to add 200 grams of chopped glacé cherries. And finally, mix this. And fold them in well. Now, once you've folded in the cherry glacés, put it in the prepared muffin tins with the prepared muffin cases. These are the muffins that are separated into 12 muffin cases. Now, we need to put this in the oven first for 220 degrees fan, and then turn it down to 180 degrees fan, that's 200 C, last for a total of 20 minutes. Pause this video now to see what these turn out like after it's baked. These are the muffins that have been done and baked in the oven. And these are the muffins that look like after it's been baked. And now it's done. This is a tutorial that I showed you on how to make these muffins for today. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more baking tutorials. And until then, in the next recipe tutorial, bye. And comment down below what other recipe tutorials that we haven't done before. See you then.